Yeah, welcome to ASK Tech Tips YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss options of Word, how to create, open and save. Let us start the session. So how to create a new document, the step-by-step procedure. Click on Start button, go to All Programs and choose the option MS Office. In that we are having the application MS Office Word 2007. Open it. Okay. And the second method is press Windows key plus Windows key along with that press R. Windows R. Run dialog box will open and type WinWord. Type WinWord and click on OK button. So these are the two methods we are having to open the Word application. And let us start how to create a blank document. Create a new document. Okay. Click on Office button. Choose the option New. Choose the option New. You can see the blank document option here. Select that and click on Create button. Now you can see the document 2 is created. And once again I am saying this option Office button, New, blank document and choose the option Create. Now you can see document 3 is created. So like this we can create a number of documents by using the option New. Okay, but here the how to create a blank document is ready now. Now I want to save the matter within the Word file. How to save the Word file with the help of the matter. Okay, now I am typing the matter here like fundamentals of computer, and in that I'm discussing about advantages of computer. Let us see storage, intelligence, okay, and versatility, and the next accuracy and security. So these are the advantages of computer. No, we are not going to discuss about this. Now we are going to discuss how to save a Word document. So click on Office button, choose the option Save. Okay, choose the option Save. And here the thing is where you are saving this Word document. For example, I am choosing the option desktop. The path is desktop, or you can choose local disk. Local disk. See, if you observe, even though I didn't give the file name, but you can see by default fundamentals of computer is there. Fundamentals of computer is there. That means the first line or the first sentence, sorry, the first sentence of the Word document will be the default file name, will be the default file name. See, Office button, save, click on the option save. If you want you can change it, no problem. For example, fundamentals session 1, fundamental session 1. Where you want to try to save this? I am saving in Tixa. I am saving in Tixa, fundamentals of computer session 1. Okay, now click on save button. Click on save button. See, once after we saving this Word document, the title bar will be changed as fundamentals because we given the name like fundamental session 1. Before this, what we are having document 2 or document 3. When we save the particular file with a specific name, then the name is going to be appeared on the title bar. Now I am using the option full screen over here. Right. Next one. What is the next option? Open. What is the option open here? If you want to open an existing file which is saved within the system, for that we are going to use the option open. Let us see. I am opening the Microsoft Office Word 2007 and click on the Office button and choose the option Open. Where did you save this file? In D drive. We are having a Tixa. In that we are having the file fundamental session 1 and choose the option Open. Okay. Next option. In this way we can open a document, right? And next option is Save As. What is meant by Save As? Click on the option Save As. For example, if you want to create a duplicate file of an existing file, see here we are having the fundamental session 1. The same file I want to save for the second time with a different name. So see here, file, save as. You may ask the question like, you may have the doubt like, so why to change the name? Why to change the name? You see here, no need to change the name while you are saving in the different path. But if you are saving the file within the same path, you need to change the name. See, I am using the same path here, D drive Tixa. So that's why I'm changing here the file name like section 1 section 1 copy. Okay, now save. See, let us see by going to the path D drive Tixa. We can see same, sorry, we can see the two file names with the different, but the matter is same within these two files. We created a duplicate file for an existing file. I said that we can create the file with the same name, but location should be different. I mean, path should be different. Then how it is possible? Let us see. File, save as. Okay, file, click on the option save as and choose the option. This time I am choosing the option desktop, path as in a desktop. But the file name I am using fundamental session 1 save. I am closing this document now. You can see fundamental session 1 in the desktop and fundamental session 1 in D drive Tixa. So note, please make a note here, when we are saving a particular file with the same name for the second time, choose the different path. Okay, like as we choose desktop and D drive. If you want to save the file with a different name, then no problem, no issues. You can save within the same path. Okay, right. And if you have any queries, please put in the comment section and subscribe the channel. Okay, and like and share. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.